Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on how to clear the public key in the admin portal. Clearing the public key is an important step for managing user registrations, particularly when a user changes devices, resets their phone, or clears app data. It is also a step ESChat support might recommend. To begin, log into your portal account. Once in, select a department. See the Users tab appear. Here, all users within the customer account will display. Select a user from the list, and under the Settings tab, select Clear Public Key. A confirmation message will appear. The public key has now been reset. For additional assistance, contact ESChat support, available 24/7, 365.